The Coswheel R19 is marketed as an electric bike with dirt bike styling, long range, and enough power for both city streets and light off-road adventures. The ads make it look like the perfect all-in-one electric ride. But the real question is it the only electric dirt bike that you need? Now, to be fair, the R19 offers an eye-catching design and versatile features that appeal to commuters and recreational riders alike. What it does well: powerful electric assistance. The motor provides quick acceleration and makes hills easier to climb. Long-range potential. Depending on the battery option and riding style, it can travel impressive distances on a charge. Where the hype falls apart: it's not a true electric motocross bike. This is the biggest issue. Despite its dirt bike appearance, it's fundamentally an electric bicycle with different capabilities. Real-world range varies. Battery life depends on rider weight, terrain, speed, and weather. Legal restrictions vary by location. Its power and speed may affect where it can legally be ridden. So, is the Coswheel R19 the only electric dirt bike that you need? Short answer: probably not. If you want a stylish electric bike for commuting and occasional trail riding, it could be a great fit. But if you're expecting the performance of a dedicated electric dirt bike, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.